Hi guys, we have this is a cat 320C. See, it's working right now. One more time, I show you I'm here right now. I'm going to buy this one for you. See the logo first. Come here, see the logo. This is a Honda, yes? You see Honda 305 LC9T for you. This is the red one for you. Everything is same, I think. Okay, I'm gonna book this one for you. Okay. I come here for you guys. You see this Honda 1305 LC. This is our machine. You can see it. Follow me. Okay. See the details. But let's check the name card. Here you are. This is the name card. Show the name card to you. You can see this is the red one for us. Everything is same. I confirm. And I'm gonna book this today for you. Okay? 好，你看一下。Okay.
Subscribe, like, comment.